Do you want to know what the real definition of adulting is? I'll tell you. It's when you put back a pack of chicken for $11.58 because you see another one for $11.17. Hey guys, so today we're gonna do our usual haul for Dollar Tree that happens on every Wednesday and also pretty much every day. And speaking of, this is actually DT week. So if you are new to my channel, DT week is basically where I do Dollar Tree related videos for the entire week. However, I don't typically post videos on Thursdays, so that may still actually remain in effect for this DT week, but I'm still maybe swirling around some thoughts that I may still put out a video on Thursday. But otherwise, I have Monday's video, Tuesday's video for DT week already started, so this is day 3. So I will link day 1 and day 2 down below. I just want to quickly say that I wanted to make sure that I got DT week in here for you guys for summer of 2020. I don't think I've done one at all this whole entire year. So I really want to get to a point where I at least do it quarterly. But I just want to thank all of you guys for all your love and support. It just makes filming and putting myself out there so incredibly easy. You make everything. I'm really bad with my emotions, and not just with you guys, just as a person in general. I don't communicate how I feel very easily, but I just get these feelings that I can't describe when it comes to you guys and how amazing you've been to me and how important that's been. And I think about how I've finally transitioned to doing this full-time for you guys, and it's because of you that I get to do that. And I'm just so incredibly thankful for all your love and support, and I just wanted to communicate that because I know I've been getting a lot of new subscribers, so thank you for all of those of you who are new and for all of my OGs. I can't believe how long some of you have just stuck it out with me. And yeah, so I'm sorry that I'm not, I feel like you guys deserve like the most eloquent, beautiful speech that really lays out exactly how I feel, but I'm just horrible at it. But just know that like in here, you guys literally make every single day of my life just happy. One of the things that always excites me the most is just sharing, just constantly sharing what I love, what I do. You guys know I'm a homebody. I mean, I just can't get enough of being in my house and doing the same routine. Like, it's just something that I truly, truly love. And where am I headed with this? But the point is, I'm gonna be sharing another organization spot in my house, and it's actually gonna be this closet that's in my master bathroom. I've never quite had storage like this before, but it's a mess right now. I'm not even using it because it's just a mess. And for me, if it's a mess, is that the word of this haul today? I can tend to want to back up and just avoid the area altogether, kind of like my craft room. And I don't want to do that. I want to make sure that I am utilizing spaces, and so in order for me to do that with my personality style, I need to have things organized. So of course, I'm gonna do that Dollar Tree style. So I had been thinking for a minute on what organization color bins I wanted to do for my master bathroom, and I came up with the chocolate brown, which interestingly enough, in the last house, I did this same color in my master closet. I'll try to find that video and link it down below. And I still have all of those bins that I moved into this master closet. And so I just thought this is the perfect color because my bedroom has like a foresty theme, and I like the dark brown because it gives it that dark wood color for me, I guess. So I bought a bunch of these, but I had no idea really how many I needed. I just buy blind, to be honest, and then I'll either have to go pick up some more. So I got a bunch of different sizes. I got 4 of these, and I'm basically gonna organize like towels and maybe extra loofahs, and I also keep like extra jewelry and makeup and stuff in there. It's basically a linen closet, but I use it for, you know, extra shampoos and all of that. So, and then I got, let's see, one of these is the rehab, there we go. And then I got 4 of this size. So it's gonna be obviously this tall and this wide, but it'll expand out. I mean, I even did my pantry with this stuff as well. I also did my media room closet with all Dollar Tree organization items. I'll link that down below as well in case you missed that video. And did I get more of those? Wait. Okay, yeah. Then I got 4 of these. I guess I was buying in 4s over here, but I don't know if you can tell, but these are a little bit wider. So just to kind of compare the size there, it's just a little bit wider by 1.5 inches or so. And then I got 3 only of the bigger bins. And yeah, so are we like 10 minutes into this video and I've only shown you like one thing? Probably. Okay, this next thing I actually found really shocking. Didn't think that I didn't expect it, basically. It is a 2-pack of face masks. I was like, what? I really just did not expect that at all. Anti-fine particles, anti-pollen, blocks droplets, and 3 layers of protection. And again, you get 2 in here for $1. So I bought a couple packages of those. Then I found this awesome Kraft Zesty Italian dressing. This is the exact dressing that I buy from Walmart to make my daughter pasta salad, and I could not believe that I found this at Dollar Tree. Like, what? That is absolutely insane. But I've seen name brand food there a lot, but I'd never seen the Zesty Italian. I mean, this is literally the exact one that I buy from Walmart. Okay, where do I go in next? Because this haul, you're just gonna be shooketh. And look at the packaging too. You can tell that it definitely looks different from the other candles they sell. This is Ambient Sure Scents, which does have the Dollar Tree logo on the back, and it is coconut and beechwood. And it smells so good. And the candle is huge too, by the way, and there's way more wax or candle wax in here than the other candles I typically haul. And if you watch all my videos, or if you know all about Dollar Tree candles, you know what I'm talking about. Here's the next one, which is Air Fresh. And look at that. I mean, see, this one doesn't have as much wax. The other one I just showed you was kind of like up to here. And this is Morning Dew. Oh my gosh, Morning Dew smells so good, smells luxurious, it doesn't smell cheap, which is something that I really pay attention to, and lasts up to 25 hours. It's a 2-in-1. How is it a 2-in-1? Oh, there's 2 different scents. See how that dark blue, light blue? So Morning Dew and then Tranquil Lake. So this was called Air Fresh, so it's a completely different maker than this. So this is a product of Glade. So this is a brand name candle. But notice how these candles are packaged and look exactly like this one, but these are Dollar Tree brand. So it's very interesting that, you know, they're, you know, doing dupes of name brand products. So definitely pay attention to that. So I got 3 of them. I did not pick up all of the scents they had. This one is Fresh Linen. Fresh Linen smells like that good smell from your laundry room when you can smell the bounce sheets, or, you know, the laundry detergent. It smells so good. This is Hawaiian. Even the candle wax color matches. Oh, this smells so good. All of these candles by far smell like Glade candles. And then this one is called Peaceful Stream and Moonlit Waves. Oh, so are these a combo? But this one is Peaceful Stream and Moonlit Waves, which I love that. That's a really cool name for a candle, right? All right, anyways, it smells really, really good, and definitely check out the cleaning aisle for these. Prepare yourself for these next items. Dollar Tree has done this before, but I've never seen them look this clean. And what I mean is just how nice they look. But oh my gosh, look at those soap pumps. Absolutely gorgeous. I'm not actually into silver, but this is the perfect color and for these, and they just look so farmhouse. They've done this before, the lather, rinse, repeat. That's nothing new, but I feel like the style or the size of the soap pump and then the pump itself definitely looks like they've upgraded their material. And I got the matching soap dish. How farmhouse is that, right? And then they did two other colors, the blue and then this mint green. And again, lather, rinse, repeat, the same type of pump. Here it is in the green. I actually really liked this green for some reason, and so I picked it up in the matching soap dish plus the matching toothbrush holder. You guys know that I've been on the hunt for that little red truck series for the kitchen items. I have the kitchen towel and I have the placemat, but I've been on the hunt for the oven mitt and the pot holders. I don't know if there's anything else to the collection. If there is, comment it down below and let me know. But I did find the oven mitt. So I'm getting closer. I still need to find the pot holders, but this is the best. This image right here, it's everything. And Dollar Tree, if you are paying attention to people's hauls, you are setting the bar really high. I expect for you to go all out for your fall stuff, because if you drop the ball, we are all going to just, I don't know. Okay, let's move on. I found some awesome new Bolero products. Look at the size of this body wash and the packaging. It's Bolero. Their packaging is really, really good, y'all. No parabens, no dyes in this. It's gentle body wash, concentrated ×2. You get tropical pineapple, and then you get fresh watermelon. So, what? Then I found some new bath bombs. I got 2 of these because it really just, I don't even know where this came from, but it is vanilla birthday cake. I didn't find any other options, and you can see the top has all the sprinkles. And Onyx Bathhouse, does anyone know who that is or what? But these are really cute. Let me show you the little sprinkles there on top. These would also be awesome for a gift basket, just in case you need to do a little gift. I'm keeping those for myself, so love those. And what do I show you next? Okay, I don't think that I've ever seen this brand at Dollar Tree, but it's so shocking that I'm pretty positive I'm putting this maybe somewhere in the title of this video, because you guys have to know about this. But Eco Tools at Dollar Tree? My memory for some reason is saying maybe we've seen Eco Tools before, but not these 2 items. But maybe I've never seen Eco. I don't know. Listen, I don't know. But look at this packaging. And this is a huge brand. They sell it at Target. They sell this probably at Ulta. It's cruelty-free. That's what they're known for, is that they're tree-free paper, they're recyclable, cruelty-free, facial mask sponge to remove masks and cleanse skin. So just, you know, if you want to do a mask night, you would use these sponges to remove the mask. And this is a facial cognac sponge. What? It's not a full, like, it's flat on one side. And how? 100% vegan for sensitive skin. What? That is this. So So you know how tie-dye is a huge trend right now? It's just people are, you know, especially during the coronavirus and staying at home and quarantining, a lot of people were, you know, DIYing and doing tie-dye and stuff. Dollar Tree was paying the hell attention to what we were doing, okay? Which actually, in a way, I kind of feel like that's an insult, because it's like, and you know what? They also follow me on Instagram, Dollar Tree. But no one reaches out to like do a sponsorship, and I'm just kind of like, you gonna do me like that? Anyhow, the whole point is they put out tie-dye kits. Oh, they did that, and what? So in this kit, you get 1 no mess squeeze bottle containing dye. You get 2 protective gloves and 5 rubber bands. And then you can see that there's different colors. Sorry, it was hurting to hold it like that. So these are red and turquoise. It gives you the color name here at the top. And then you get fuchsia and yellow. And then green. I went through all the colors. Hopefully I got them all, but if I'm missing one and you just happen to know what that is, comment it down below, because I will be on the hunt. But they are selling tie-dye kits at Dollar Tree for $1. And if that isn't enough, we're not done with this haul. Then I found these. These are absolutely brand new in their garden line, which they call Floral Garden. And they put out wood stems. As you can see, each bag is kind of unique. They're just kind of cut pretty raw and pretty randomly. At first, when I saw them at the bottom of the shelf, I thought they were wine corks, and I was like, oh, okay. And then when I got closer, I was just like, oh my, I was not ready for that. And you know you're gonna see these in a DIY for fall. Now, let me show you the last product, which again, you guys know, the betrayal that is hitting this whole situation pretty deep, but I bought another $5 product, but I simply could not help myself. This pink watermelon bag, I'm trying to get up close so you can see the true color. I love the neon of the green of the watermelon, and then it has a nice zipper. The handle's really nice, and it's actually an insulated tote cooler. So when you open it up, I mean, $5. And here's how I justified buying this at Dollar Tree, because you guys know that I'm not about the whole bonus section, which hits the betrayal even deeper. But I thought to myself, would I buy this for $5 at like Big Lots? And when I said yes, I was like, then I'm gonna buy it here. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget, we are in DT week, so this video is day 3. I don't know if there's gonna be a video following for Thursday, but there will be one for Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So definitely come back for those. And you think these hauls were great, wait till you see what else I found. And I can't wait to share that with you guys. Again, I just wanna say thank you so much for your support and for making this journey in my life one of the best times I've ever had. And hopefully I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.